Good morning, children. Myself, Rajesh Dikruz. I welcome you to the e-learning classes provided by St. Michael's Academy, Betia. So, children, we are having Standard 8 History. Topic: Rural Life and Society. Chapter 3. Today we will have exercise. Exercise A. Answer the questions by choosing the most appropriate alternative from those given below. First, which of the following was introduced in Bihar, Bengal and Odisha in 1793? Options A. Ijardari system. B. Royatwari settlement. C. Permanent settlement. D. Mahalwari settlement. Answer option C. Permanent settlement. 2. The Royatwari settlement was introduced in dash. Option A. 1793. B. 1820. C. 1830. D. 1765. Answer option B. 1820. 3. Dash was the first crop to be grown on the British plantation. Option A. Cotton. B. Tea. C. Indigo. D. Coffee. Answer option C. Indigo. 4th. According to the Ijardari system, the right to collection was given to the highest bidder for a period of dash years. Option A. 10. B. 7. C. 4. D. 5. Answer option D. 5. 5th. Under permanent settlement, the land revenue was roughly dash. Option A. 20%. B. 40%. C. 30%. D. 50%. Answer option D. 50%. Children, also answer is written beside each of the questions and their options. B. Match the following. First, Indigo Revolt. Option C. First peasant revolt by Indian farmers. Second, 1849. Option D. Annexation of Punjab by the British. Third, plantation. Option A. Large piece of land owned by Europeans. 4. Cash crops. Option A. Crops which can be easily be sold in the market. 5th, Jamindars. Option B. Owners of the land who collected taxes. Children, also answer is written under the match the following. Exercise C. Answer the questions in about 50 to 70 words. First, who were Ijardars during the British rule in India? Answer. Warren Hastings introduced the Ijardari system. The highest bidder who were given the right to collect revenue were called Ijardars. They were given this right for the period of 5 years. They were called contractors. Question 2. Name the 3 land revenue settlement and the areas where they were introduced by the British. Answer. The 3 land revenue settlements were the Permanent Settlement, the Rotwari Settlement, and the Mahalwari Settlement. The Permanent Settlement. The Permanent Settlement was introduced by Lord Cornwallis in Bihar, Bengal, and Orissa in 1793. The Rotwari Settlement. The Rotwari Settlement was introduced by Sir Thomas Munro in the Madras Presidency. It was later extended to the Bombay Presidency as well. The Mahalwari Settlement. This system was introduced in western Uttar Pradesh, parts of Madhya Pradesh, and Punjab. Third, what are cash crops? Name any 2 of them. Answer. The crops which can be easily be bought and sold in the market are called cash crops. Example, tea and coffee. Question 4. What do you understand by the Mahalwari settlement? Where was it introduced by the British? Answer. The Mahalwari settlement was a system by which the talukdar or head of the village had to collect the revenue from the villagers and hand it over the company. It was introduced in western Uttar Pradesh, parts of Madhya Pradesh, and Punjab. Question 5. What was the impact of the Indigo Revolt? Answer. The Indigo Revolt was led by Vishnucharan Bishwas and Digambar Bishwas. Its other popular leaders were Kader Molla of Pabna and Rafiq Mandal of Malda. The impact of the revolt was that the planters were finally forced to shut down their workshop and the British banned forcible indigo cultivation. Children, these are the question answers of History Chapter 3. Please write the question answers with the objectives in a raised W copy and keep ready for the corrections. Children, if you like my videos, please subscribe it and share it. Thanks for watching.